The beauty of fog lights is that you can see the car in the fog from the back. See that blue car that's driving by? That's gonna disappear into the fog. But with the rear fog lights, my car is gonna be visible from a mile down the road. Especially like a bus is coming behind me, you'll be able to see this car in the fog. It's super foggy today. Normally there's a river across that way there. That's the bus going by. So that bus could see my car parked here in this hill when they come around the front. And that's why I like the idea of rear fog lights. Look at these cars coming up the hill. You can't see the cars yet. But you will in a minute. And the front fog lights work just as well. You can see these cars going by without the fog lights on. So it is really foggy, but I have my car is visible as well as from the front and the back. On the BMW E90, the fog light modification is easy as installing this switch. It just plugs out, plugs in. So easy to do. Hey guys, quick time lapse. Make sure you unplug your battery and turn your car off before doing this. Using just a basic butter knife and an orange pry tool. You don't need the pry tool. A butter knife would work just fine in your fingers. That comes out real easy. It's 2 knobs there. Take the ventilation trim out first and then tackle the light switch trim. It's 3 nub clips. It pushes in. The spring clips unclips the wiring from the wire harness from the switch module, and the module itself connects to the plastic trim with 4 clips. Big clips in the top and bottom, 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom, and 2 little baby side clips. Once that's out, you put your new light switch onto the trim, push it all in. It's so easy to do. There's literally no tools required in this, just pushing it in. Once the light switch is in, there's no coding required. Start your car up, and then automatically you should see the rear fog lights as well as your front fog lights. To turn the fog lights on, you can put the car in parking, the parking lights on, or you can put the headlights on. But once the switch is activated like this, you hit the front fog lights and the rear fog light button, and it lights up on the dash right there. You can see the front and rear fog lights there to let you know the fog lights are activated. I'm still on the road. Let me get out the road, but I just wanted to guys show you how it works. You don't have to put bulbs in or anything like that. This works in any of the modern BMWs. This is the E90, so if you have a newer BMW or you just get that switch. It's a European switch because rear fog lights for some weird reason is a sensible option that comes in European cars, not in American cars, but you can just get that switch on eBay or order it online. Hey guys, as much as I hate eBay, it's one of the best places to get this switch. Real easy. You just go right to eBay, you put in Euro E90 or whatever you have, whatever car you have, put that in, fog lamp switch, and it comes up right away, instantaneously. So you see this start really cheap, $25 from Poland, I believe. A lot of these will come directly from Europe. You rarely ever find an American seller selling these, but 25, I've seen them as cheap as 20, and they get as expensive as $150. Make sure it comes with the front and rear fog light buttons on the switch module. Yes, there are some that just have the rear fog lamps. I'm not sure why. This is going to take about 2 weeks to ship, which is fine. Shipping is $10 from Poland. That's fine too. Click buy now, and boom, you're in action. That easy. Put that switch in there, you get instant rear fog lights. There's no modification. So I'm gonna walk back a ways to see how visible my car is. It's very, very visible. I'm gonna just keep going back. You see the fog, the car is gonna disappear into the fog, and see how that school bus will disappear into the fog, but my car will be visible from really, really far away, which is really cool. So you can always see my car. As you see, as I'm backing away, you can see my rear tail lights are faint, but those fog lights are very, very bright. How cool is that? So you can see those fog lights being bright. Similar to the headlights of the car coming oncoming traffic, my headlights are bright. There's actually a third car coming there. You can't see because their lights aren't on, but my car still more visible in oncoming traffic to, say, a semi-trailer or a big truck or bus coming up behind me. You can definitely see my car. The fog is lifting, the sun is coming up. So, but I just wanted to shoot this video, see the importance of rear fog lights as a traffic safety option. It should come on cars. There's about 3 cars coming up. You can't see them. I can see them because, you know, I'm standing up, but on the camera you can't see them. But you can see how visible, more visible my car is compared to the oncoming traffic. And that's the importance of rear fog lights as a safety option. Even with your regular headlights on, your regular tail lights on, the rear fog lights will be brighter than those tail lights. And what I like that BMW has done on these newer, the newer fog light system, is that it's not too bright. So if someone is driving behind me, it's not gonna blind them. I remember my E46 and E36 when I installed rear fog lights, it was really bright. Cause I'm not sure why, cause maybe the lensing effects, but here it's not gonna like hurt the eyes of someone driving behind you. We used to joke and call these back in the days, we used to call these tailgaters lights. If someone's tailgating, you could just flip these on and it'll just like kind of blind the person behind you, but it's not so bad. It's really cool. Really cool option. I think everyone should do that. If you have an E90 or newer E60, just install a rear fog light switch. It's so easy to do. The trim comes right off. You pry it right there and you just take your old switch out and put your new switch in, and it's really easy to do. I'm gonna turn it on and just show you guys before we go how it kind of looks without the fog lights there. Sorry guys for the... So you can see how my car just blends in without the rear fog lights on, just to give you guys an idea of how it looks with and without the rear fog lights there. The fog is lifting, which is good, but you get an idea of I don't want something coming over the hill and hit me in the middle of the road here. So that's it guys. That's the rear fog light modification. I've done this mod years ago, like 5 or 6 years ago when I first got this car, but I never really spoke about it. I don't know why, because I actually have a DIY on this modification from my E46. So just give you guys a slice of my life. Come Dylan, say hi. Come say hi.